Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家來講客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And 2007 is almost over. I can't believe it. 2007年已經快結束了哦。
超啊，過到寒假哦。
寒假很急嗎？很什麼？
不是很急，過得好快哦。
好快。Okay, that means it's very quick, right? Yeah.
過到寒假了。
寒假了。Okay. Right here, I just want to thank Alice really for over all these years of teaching me the Hakka culture, the language. 真的非常感謝 Alice. 這幾年下來，真的對客家呢越來越了解，不管是文化啦，還有這些智慧等等啊。讓我感覺好像是你們的 family 的一員，你知道嗎？
不是客氣啦，你有認真呐。
什麼？
你有認真？
哦，我有認真嗎？沒有，是你在的時候認真。對對對，出了這個門就不認真了。
啊，沒有沒有
沒有，我真的非常感謝。And over the year, you know, I found out a lot of characteristics of the Hakka, and I want to share that with everyone here. 真的要跟大家講，客家人真的是非常的好客，又非常的熱情。又非常的喜歡分享等等之類，我想借這個單元，今天這個單元呢，來講這些形容詞，這樣子以後跟客家人溝通的時候，可以說哇，你們真的好熱情哦，這樣子我都不會講。現在
真的啊，
對啊，所以先從好客好了，而且好客剛好很巧的好客，客家人的客啊，對不對？I just want to say the Hakka are very friendly。
好客，
好客啊，哦。客是Hakka嘛
Hakka， 然
後就好客。Okay, that means very, very friendly. They welcome people all the time. How about passionate? You guys are very passionate. 很熱情。熱情。Okay, that's very passionate. And you guys love to share stuff, whether it's your food, your culture. 很喜歡分享。分享. Okay? And finally, I think a lot of people know about this living in Taiwan. The Hakka are always very hardworking. 非常的勤儉哦。勤儉. Okay, that's hardworking. And I understand if you guys want to find out more about Hakka, aside from the lesson that we have on the air, there's also a Hakka Expo going on in Kaohsiung this month. 聽說這個12月份呢，12月下旬是不是有一個這個客家的什麼？
台灣客家博覽會。
台灣客家博覽會。Okay, so that is a Hakka Expo in Kaohsiung, 對不對？
錯，高雄。
Okay, so go check it out and enjoy the warmth of the Hakka people over there. And that does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.